So trying to rearrange this equation, if we had to try to rearrange this equation here, equation 2, to put VP is equal to something, that's not so hard because we're going to multiply both sides by VS, and then you get this equation down here. Now, when we try to rearrange it to put VS is equal to it, it's a little bit harder. So I'm going to take you through the way that most people would understand, but it's long, and then I'll show you the shortcut. So if we multiply by VS first, we end up with the same as we had before. So VP is equal to NP multiplied by VS divided by NS. What we can do next is we can multiply both sides by NS. So I'm going to, rather than write it all out again, I'm just going to move this around. If Mira will let me. So basically, we're going to multiply both sides by NS. So I can move NS up there, and I can get rid of that line there. Let's move the equal sign up as well. And then finally, we're going to just divide by NP. Okay. So that's the longer way that most people would understand, although it takes a few steps. So let's just shrink that. So we've got an answer. So we know what to expect, and then we're going to do the shortcut. So whenever you've got one thing is equal to another, what you can also do actually is flip both sides upside down. So you can say VS is over VP is equal to NS over NP. Now that's not just a shortcut, it's something that you need to be familiar with because it comes up in other situations. Sometimes that's the only thing you can do. And now we can just multiply by VP the same way as we multiplied it by VS earlier on. So when I multiply by VP, I put that over there, and I get that. So as you can see, it's the same, NS times VP divided by NP. So that's the shortcut. So whenever you got this, like one fraction is equal to another fraction, then you can flip it, okay? And let's do one more example of this. Let's say that 1/3 is equal to 2/6. Well, we know that's the case, right? If what I just said is true, then I can flip this. 3 over 1 is equal to 6 over 2. And 3 over 1 is 3, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So yes, you can flip these fractions, and it's a very useful thing to do. Okay, right.